In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Pinterest to Squarespace in just a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want to improve your social sharing, streamline your website integrations, and make it easier for visitors to discover your Pinterest content. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace account and open your main website dashboard. From there, look for the dashboard menu so you can access the tools and settings for your site. Now here's a quick shortcut that makes this process much faster. On your keyboard, press the / key, the Chowan key. As soon as you do that, a search panel should instantly slide open across your interface. This is one of the easiest ways to jump directly to what you need without digging through multiple menus. In the search field, type connected accounts. Squarespace will start showing matching options right away. Once you see the result, select connected accounts from the list. This is where you can manage the external platforms linked to your Squarespace website. On the connected accounts page, look for the option to connect accounts and click it. You should then see a list of available services you can connect to your site. From that list, select Pinterest. After choosing Pinterest, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Squarespace may ask you to sign into your Pinterest account and approve the connection. Just continue through the prompts, grant the required permissions, and allow the integration to complete. Once that process finishes, Pinterest will be connected to your Squarespace website. This can help make your site more connected, more discoverable, and easier to share across platforms. If you want to double-check everything, revisit the connected account section and confirm that Pinterest now appears as a linked account. And that's it. You've successfully connected Pinterest to Squarespace. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.